Hey there, what's up? This is Paul Murphy. So I've got something really exciting to show you. We've created this crazy automation tool that's spitting out some of the best ROIs we've ever seen. Times are tough right now, but this thing is like knocking everything else out of the park. Let me show you how this works, and then you'll see how you can implement it. All you need for this is 10 videos from YouTube. You put them into this sequence, and then this does the rest, right? So first of all, this sequence here is called a magic traffic funnel. So it looks like this, right? This is the magic traffic funnel. And in a moment, I'll give you a course where you can go and build this out, right? So I won't talk too much about this because I want to show you this tool. And then I'll basically show you how you can build this out with a free course I'll give you in a minute, right? So this course here, this is actually the free course I'm going to give you, is converting at over 30%. So everybody who basically lands on this page converts at 30%. We're sending 100 clicks organic, 100 clicks paid ads, right? And our paid ads are costing us, because we're running a very specific type of ad called an in-feed ad, they're just costing us 18 cents per click, right? So we're spending, I put it at 25 cents a click, just because sometimes it goes up and down and whatever, and I want to make sure that this is running at a profit no matter what. So we're spending 25 bucks a day for 100 clicks, right? We're only spending $750 a month, but we're also getting for free 100 organic clicks, and it's the same type of traffic. It's basically traffic that's coming from videos placed at the top of Google and YouTube for organic, right? Now we're getting over 30, we're actually getting over 50% opt-in rate, but we've set this tracker so you can see how it works when we even get lower numbers at 30% opt-in rate. So 30% of 200 clicks is 60 clicks a day, right? Then everybody who comes through our magic traffic sequence, if only 3% of them convert, that gets us 2 sales, right? So 3% of 60 is 2 sales, right? And then basically that is represented here. Now let me show you this on the right hand side so you can see just how much money this is making, right? You can see that we get 200 clicks a day. That's 6,000 per month, right? Visitors. We're getting new leads, 30% of that. So we're getting 60 new leads per day, 1,800. Now, what is important to note about this is these are highly targeted leads. These are not from ads where people are being dragged over from other places on Facebook, where actually it costs about 30 bucks a lead for our industry at the moment, right? This is costing us 20 cents a lead, but not only that, it's costing us, it's from targeted views, because these videos, right? These videos are YouTube videos that we embed in this funnel, right? And these videos are all solving whatever our product is. We're helping our customers solve all the biggest common problems with that product, right? So for instance, we might have a dog training course and we're going to basically show them how to train their dog in 10 steps. And then the ultimate purchase is them working with you and purchasing your course, right? And we don't put anything behind a paywall. We train them on everything, even if it's in the course, because we only want 3% of those people who want the fast track, who want all the resources, want everything you've got, right? And there's going to be more than that, by the way. But, you know, on the low end, 3% of people. And then as these all come in, as people watch all these videos, they get pushed up the search engines. That's why this funnel's super, super amazing, right? And then basically, we get that organic traffic as well. So 3% of that converts at that. Now, that means that we're getting 2 sales per day, 60 sales a month. This product is $997. So this is like a $997 course, standard price for a course, right? So we're getting $2,000 a day, $60,000 per month. We're making $9.97 revenue per visitor, but it's only costing us 25 cents maximum, right? So that's why that ROI is off the scale, because we're making that from 25 cents, right? So that's kind of crazy. And then the revenue we're making per lead is $33 per 23. Again, it's what we're actually spending per lead on here. I can't actually work that out. But yeah, we're spending this amount of money. So we're generating $59,820 for $750 investment, right? And I wanted to show you that so you can say, well, have I just pulled the wool over your eyes? Does this sound unreasonable? If you get a high converting landing page, do you think it will convert at 30%? This converts at 50%, right? Do you believe that 3% of all your opt-ins, if they go through something where they're getting treated ethically, they're getting know, like, and trust, and they're building, you're showing them stuff that most people hold behind a paywall, right? And we've got all of this this is basically 10 emails, 10 videos with pages, all with links to your product, right? When you build know, like, and trust with people, people want to like work with you, right? That is why this is super powerful, right? And this is the simplest YouTube automation tool. So what I want to do now is I'm going to give you my 24-hour ranking system. I want to show you how to build this, right? And you can build this for any type of business. So this one is for a free, this is like for an affiliate product or your own product. We've also got them built for, this one's for a membership, right? So if you've got a membership where you're charging $97 a month, you only need to hit, I think it's 840 members, and you're doing $1 million a year. And if you're getting 2 sales per day with this, it doesn't take long for that to build up, right? And we do it with exactly the same way, but we just show you how to, and we give you the membership and we give you everything pre-built in there as well, right? Also, this is the amount of money I've made. I just want to show you some case studies. This is, with this product, which was called Groove, we made 351,000. This is Kartra Webinar Jam, and every webinar we generated $859,000, right? This one here we generated $137,000, 52,000 commission. This one here we generated $65,000 lifetime earnings, right? And I've got a dozen other ones that I didn't show you because this is what we do. And what we do here is basically we will choose a product or service, and if we choose an affiliate product or our own product, we just put these videos at the top of Google using this system, right? You can see here, these are ranking at the top. And with this, we got $125,000 in the first 10 days of a launch, 997 sales, right? This one here, this is one I put up the other day. You'll see that this is email marketing for beginners. You can see in 23 minutes, I had 10 views and I was ranking right at the top here. This is an ad. This is an ad. So I'm ranking number 1, 2, I'm ranking number 3, technically. Right, but we can also take over this area here with the in-feed ad, which I was telling you about, which is this bit here, right? So we can have those as well for 25 cents a click, which is pretty cool, right? This one here we've generated, we got in the leaderboards, became 7th. Kartra here, this is Kartra Webinar Jam Ever Webinar. Place the videos, again, the funnel pushes them up, places them in this carousel, and then we generated, but we basically didn't spend any money on ads on this one, and we were getting in all the leaderboards, right? This one here, I got reached out to by Russell Brunson's team and said, would you like to promote this product for us? So I said, yeah, sure, why not? Put some videos up and got to win a private mastermind with Russell Brunson. And yeah, that's Sharon Lecter, who wrote Rich Dad, Poor Dad with Robert Kiyosaki. And this is the typewriter that Napoleon Hill wrote Think and Grow Rich on, right? And I actually touched it. And I've generated, millions of dollars. This is what I generated last year. I don't really like talking about this, but I know that by showing you that, you're going to think, okay, well, if Paul's doing this with this system, then maybe I can. So grab the link in the show notes. You will get my 24-hour ranking system. It's a completely free. There's no upsell, free module course. And I'll show you how to get your first listing on Google, first of all. And then we're going to take that listing and put it into the Magic Evergreen traffic system, which is this system here, right? We're going to build this out for you. We've actually got it pre-built for you if you work with us. But basically, if not, I'll show you the steps. You can just go and build it yourself. And then once you've done that, you are basically all set. And then this will basically go to work, and you'll be getting organic traffic coming in once this is fired up. And we recommend running, $5 a day or something to get this started. And then you'll see. And then what we do is, if you work with us as well, we give you this simulator, we give you all the tracking and everything. And then we just work with you and just work on each step until it's configured. Pretty straightforward. But if not, then you go and build it yourself. And this is what happens, right? So, yeah, that's it. Go grab that now. It's in the show. You can actually grab the link, or you'll see it on the screen. It'll be in the description. It'll also be in the comments. Go grab it. And yeah, I cannot wait to see your results when you put this to work.